Every day, thousands of people fall ill and die from pathologies that are no longer diagnosed at an early stage. And the solution to this may be closer than we imagine. Right here in the desert sands of United Arab Emirates, for a new conventional, innovative compression, decompression. And here are the results that can be plotted and quantified in the graph with imaging series for a clinical cardiovascular evolution. And this was validated by USLA group and also tested for us with a good correlation, much better than Framingham scale, calcium score, and cardiac scintigraphy. It's a 10-minute screening. Infrared imaging can detect easily hand inflammation, as in the osteoarthritis treatment monitoring, and also to knee osteoarthritis monitoring in 1-minute screening. Here, see the modification between a normal foot and a diabetic foot. It's much changed also in the early stage, they call it pre-diabetic state. Infrared image can be used to prevent foot ulcers in diabetics, and particularly foot amputation. It is a relevant risk marker. And here another example. So it's a 1-minute screening. And here is from the dorsum of the feet, it's a neurovascular monitoring. The temperature of the extremities is largely dependent on peripheral blood vessels, and this imaging tool is used for vascular diseases. It is also validated by the Arizona Task Force against diabetic ulcer with large populations of diabetic patients. It's 1-minute screening, and when medical doctor when done, it is 40 minutes evaluation. So it's very fast to achieve these results. And infrared monitoring reduced 20 to only 2% the incidence of ulcer. It's 10 times more effective than medical assistance in diabetic center. So it's amazing and improved by literature. So, but how to organize all these clinical solutions in medicine practice? Have you ever stopped to think how the imaging diagnoses are done nowadays? 100% manual. So by the IBM studies show that 90% of all medical data are composed by images. The large number of tests for analysis overwhelms the doctor. It makes the work repetitive, pressure for reducing costs and time, diagnoses that depend on individual knowledge, and the possibility of inconclusive results are the problems that can be avoided. INFRAREDMED developed models of artificial intelligence combining the best of medical doctors with infrared imaging diagnostic technology for screening, creating a platform capable of analyzing the infrared images, the report ensuring that the diagnosis is correct, innovating in the medical field. Our solutions add value by giving the doctors more agility, greater accuracy in reducing costs, ensuring that the patient receives early detection, correct diagnosis, and treatments. We offer a support platform for the medical doctor by automating manual tasks, performing the screening, and reducing service time, so doctors can pay more attention to the most selected urgent cases to be evaluated in specific medical centers and hospitals. The platform is flexible and allows adaptation to several types of infrared imaging that I showed: breast cancer kit, cardiovascular risk kit, diabetes kit, stress and sleep option, arthrosis monitor option, are supported examples to triage for a specific medical center. It's an endless solution. It will improve with new exams, kits, and options. We combine intelligence and technology to transform the health of patients. The most advanced technology with fast results generate increased productivity in all types of infrared image exams, so guarantee the best treatment and for those who need it. And how to join it all? Think of this here inside a capsule, like this on my hand. How to do mass screening is here in my hands. inside the capsule. Let's enter inside the capsule, and because we are changing you are checking your temperature, sir. Thanks for collaboration. So here is the design of the medical infrared capsule for our project for the future smart cities for mass screening. Again, here is the detail of the inner design of the medical infrared capsule from our project for the future smart cities, for mass screening, for a pregnant school age. So a camera inside the camera, the capsule. And the smart cities will be managed with smart energy sources, not only by conventional electrical, but from solar photovoltaic panel that produce hydrogen from an electrolyzer. Our group has this technology, as I showed before. And by this way, our capsule can transfer the images to a computer outside the intelligence artificial software to produce the results and pass this to the patient, mobile, and to a specific medical center to call in, if necessary, any specialized medical review. This is the schematic design of our patent that we would like to internationalize it and spread worldwide many medical infrared capsules with the help from some investors interested in helping millions of people prevent diseases. And here, Emirates could be the first, inshallah. Have you thought about controlling your health through your mobile? Find out these changes before it's too late, and this simply by the image of heat that your body emits. So based in your experience in mobile applicatives, as the infrared atlas for iOS and Android, it's possible to feasible these results for anyone who passed by the capsule. Many options of results produced by the medical capsule screening and personalized tipped motivational devices and also precautions to users. The results on the cell phone. So this is the future of smart cities concept, are really health systems of mass screening with a continuous feedback from the capsule to the medical center and again to the patient, and guarantee the best treatment and for those who need it, children, pregnant, and who would like to take part on this project with your team. This is an important question to reply now, to think about. Which are the future we want to our sons here in Abu Dhabi?